Hello, welcome to this physics demo show. Today I'm going to show you two really interesting tricks that you can quickly learn and that you can show off to your friends and family. So you can find all the necessary materials in your kitchen. So here I have a wine glass. I have a glass of water in there. You can see that this is water, and I put a little bit of food color so that you can see that clearly. Alright, so it's not really the red wine, but of course it's okay to use any liquid. Alright, so here's the challenge. I have a piece of napkin here, okay? I put it to the edge of the counter, and then I'm going to put this glass of water on top of it, okay? So I want to remove this napkin away without breaking my glass of water. That's the challenge. How can I do it? Okay, of course, I want to do it in a cool way, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull it really quick and let's see what happens. So I'm going to count 3, 2, 1, and then I'm going to go, okay? Let's see what happens. All right, 3, 2, 1, there you go. I succeeded in pulling this napkin out of it. So I hope you can try this yourself. And the main trick here is that you want to put this sort of close to the edge and you want to pull it real quick, okay? And so you may wonder why you can do that. If you pull it slowly, you can see that glass is going to follow you and may fall off the counter, okay? But if you pull it quick, the kind of interaction between your glass of water and that napkin is kind of minimal. So the glass is not disturbed. Then, according to the famous Newton's first law, it will stay where it is because of something we call inertia. So the Newton's first law says every object has inertia. What that means is that the object tends to stay where it is, tend to keep its sort of status of motion, and that's what why it doesn't follow that napkin when you pull it really quick. Okay, I hope you succeed in repeating that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my second trick. Again, with this glass of wine, or actually water with some food color. So you see that I already filled it up, okay? So for the second trick, what I want to achieve is to flip that glass of water upside down without messing things up, without all this fluid spilling everywhere, okay? That's what I want to do. Sounds dangerous, right? But I assure you that it will work because I know a little bit of physics about it. So here, the first thing that you need to make sure is that you try to fill the water as much as possible to the very, very top, okay? So you leave very little gap in there. So here actually, I want to add a little bit more. Now with that, I then will use a little coaster here. You can perhaps easily find at your home. The important thing that you want is something that is flat, that is not paper, and that is relatively light, okay? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to press this coaster to the top of that glass. I try to make them sort of together. Then I'm going to flip it up like this. Now I hope you can see clearly that it's sort of, they're now kind of together with the water in the cup and then with the coaster behind it, okay? Now I'm going to move my hand away. You can see it works. Well, why something like this happened? What is supporting this water in the cup and also this coaster? Well, the trick is that when I try to, make them sort of tightly pressed together, I sort of create a little compartment that is isolated from the air around, and the air pressure then will, actually act or provide a force supporting the weight of the water and also the coaster. So that's why they don't fall actually. There's the air pressure that acts against the gravity. Okay, that's how it works. Well, I hope you enjoyed this trick. Try it at home and don't mess things up. Good luck!